Hey, so here we've got a 2022 Subaru Forester, and we've installed the new Diode Elite Series fog lamps. They all come standard with the backlight feature. We've actually wired this up to the headlight to come on anytime that the daytime running light is on. And once the fog lights turn on, it will turn to its white mode, or you can get the yellow version, which is also available. We'll demonstrate that in a second, but check out that fit and finish of those housings. They look really, really good inside this bezel, and they're a great match for the factory headlights and just really ties up the front end. The optics are beautiful. That's the amber backlight feature, and we'll show you the white in just a moment. All right, we've turned the fog lamps on. And again, these are the white version. Great match for the factory LED strip and projector. And once again, they're also available in yellow, which is a really, really nice yellow color. But the white looks right at home on this. Get really close up. The optics are beautiful, like I already mentioned. They have a nice diffused upper and lower half, which is how the backlight works so nicely as well. We'll show you the output in just a moment. You can see the nice, colorful, sharp cutoff line that they have. And we'll get these warehouse lights turned off. All right, so we've got the shop lights off. You can see the upper cutoff from the factory adaptive LED projectors. And down below is the Elite Series. It's very, very well defined. You've got that nice crispy cutoff for your fog lights, so you won't be blinding anybody or making anybody upset when you're driving down the road with these. There's no extra lights, scatter. It's just really, really nice focus and great width too. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. Check out the website. We've got these available for many makes and models. And if you could, please subscribe to the channel.